Haiti holds a unique and powerful place in history as the first country in the world founded by formerly enslaved people. On January 1st, 1804, after a decade-long revolution, the enslaved Africans of the French colony of Saint-Domingue defeated the French and declared their independence. This made Haiti the first independent black republic and the first nation to abolish slavery by force. Leaders like Toussaint Louverture and Jean-Jacques played pivotal roles in this revolutionary struggle. Following their victory, the new nation was renamed Haiti, a name taken from the island's indigenous Taino language. Haiti, meaning land of mountains, was chosen to honor the island's pre-colonial heritage and to mark a decisive break from its colonial past. While some might argue that renaming the country from Saint-Domingue to Haiti was simply a name change, it was much more than that. It symbolized the birth of a new nation built on the principles of freedom, equality, and the triumph of enslaved people over their oppressors. Haiti's story remains a testament to resilience, self-determination, and the quest for justice.